Mm. Look, say cheese. Cheese. Hi. Hi. Okay, so last night we didn't even end up going anywhere. I haven't washed my face. I just woke up, but I actually ended up having fun. We drove around and then we sat in the living room. And I took a couple shots and just partied in the house. But tonight we might do something. I don't even care at this point. All I really want to do is go watch the Barbie movie. Like, I want to do that so bad. I already have my outfit picked out and everything. But I don't know if I'll get around to doing it today. I'm probably just gonna put that same outfit back on because, like, I didn't even get a moment in that outfit. It saw the living room. But I got an Amazon package. So these always get me excited. I'm gonna show you guys what I got because I'm really excited about these purchases. And I ordered this yesterday. So this came so fast. Now, if you have Prime, I got these headphones and they're like $19.99 right now, or $20. Ah, stop. Normally they're double, they're $40, but I want to show you guys the color because if you're anything like me, you're gonna have a heart attack. Look at these. And I didn't even just buy these for the color. My mom has a pair of these and I borrowed them. The sound quality in these is so good. Like, if you need some new headphones, this is a good ass sell to just go ahead and take part of. I'm gonna link these in my description because I already have tried them. I know they work. So yeah, these will be in there. And then look how cute. Like, imagine me at the gym. Oh, thank you. Oh, look what it comes with, I guess. Okay, comes with these charger cords. And then look at this. I've been wanting to try these forever. They're the holy, how do you pronounce this? The Tony Moly eye patches. I'm gonna show you guys how I use these, but you can sleep in these. They're patches that go right here and you sleep in them, and everyone's been saying like they work so good. I wanna get some for right here too next and just start sleeping with this and this. You know, it's about that time. And the costs are, I don't even like pronouncing this because I don't know what I'm saying, but this brand, I shouted out their moisturizer in one of my last videos, and I really been liking everything that I buy from them. So I got the pimple patches. But yeah, they have like thousands of 5-star reviews though, so they're probably gonna work great just like everything else they make. But I'm going to link all 3 of these because I feel like this is such a good buy. I'm so happy with my Amazon purchases for the day. But yeah, hopefully I got something to film, something to vlog this weekend. I mean, so far it's looking a little on the boring side. Okay, come here. Okay, let's try again. Eyes, nose, ears, hair, teeth. Let me see, this is how hot it is. We've only been outside for like 10 minutes and she's all red. Let me go inside. What? You want a banana? Okay, let's go get a banana. Do y'all use coconut oil to take your makeup off? Or is it just me? It works so good though. I never buy makeup remover, and I use coconut oil for 100 other things, so I always just keep a jar in the bathroom. Okay, so here's the Tony Moly. Everyone says these come out of the container without you having to stick your finger in the container. Let's see what they're talking about. Okay. But what are they talking about? You do have to stick your finger in here. Oh, is it because it comes with this little scoop?
It looks so relaxing.
Oh my god, you guys, look. Wait.
Let me focus right there.
Look at that. So I guess you just peel one out. Okay. You want to go first?
No, you.
I to be honest.
Yeah.
Okay, and these are the pimple patches. Now, since you can wear these overnight, I'm thinking I'll just wear them around like this afternoon and take it off right before I do my makeup. If I end up going out again. And then we'll see. Okay, I just placed it a little bit higher. They're very like high, like a lot of moisture on these.
They're comfortable.
Yeah, they are comfortable. I'm surprised they're not sliding off. Okay, these are the pimple patches.
It's awesome.
You give it, what do you give it?
Out of 10?
Yeah, out of 10.
Based off of the feel and like the packaging and everything, I would do it a 10.
Okay, and then these are the pimple patches. I'm just gonna go in with some peas serum. And a little bit of Vaseline. These dry ass lips. This feels so good. Like, hopefully all this shit works. I feel like it will work, but beyond that, it just feels really good. It feels really good to like walk around the house like this. I don't know. Okay, so these eye patches are so hydrating. We had to try them on Judy.
And I wear. I'm gonna turn it up.
Oh, and by the way, mine are starting to dry out and they stick to your face even better as they dry.
Should we give them a view?
Yeah. I'm recording this because I have a feeling it's about to be life-changingly delicious. But I got this at Trader Joe's. And it cooks in 15 minutes. You just put it in the oven real quick. Okay, you're gonna go first.
No, you have to go first. Should I feed you?
Yeah.
You look good eating it, so.
The chicken is so good. Because usually in these frozen things, I feel like the chicken be like so fake tasting. So they sell the sauce separately. So I just sprinkled a little bit. It comes with sauce too.
Perfect.
I just bought that. This is extra sauce.
A few of the noodles are a little bit hard though.
I burnt it.
Oh. Maybe start around mid 15 minutes, like 7.
I didn't start it all. I just dumped it in the pan and walked away.
Still delicious. Thanks, Phil.
Thank you.
But yeah, you guys should start it. Start a couple.
Okay, we're off to get a snack, but I'm gonna take these off. No irritation, no puffiness. Definitely hydrating. It looks good.
Are you taking off the little?
No, the pimple things though are working very well. I don't know if you can see, kind of gross, but the pimples are already surfacing and I've only had these on for a few hours, so. had the munchies a little bit, but it's cheat day. I've been working out like Monday through Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, I just kind of go crazy. So we got our Mexican pastries when I got home and decided I'd much rather have sushi. I didn't even eat my pastries, but we're going to bonsai. This is my sushi outfit.
Oh, let me get it. Damn it.
You're so cute. I decided not to wear the dress again tonight because it just wasn't fitting right, and I feel like I need to sew it. But I got this whole outfit from Forever 21. So first of all, this is so good because you could wear this as a swimsuit. Just the way that it cuts, like, gives you a super hourglass shape to you. And then I got this skirt that I actually was gonna wear to the Barbie premiere, which I probably, not the premiere, I missed the premiere. The premiere is this weekend, but I am gonna go see it still, and I'll probably, hopefully I don't ruin this skirt. It's 2 in the morning, by the way. So let's see where we end up, because I believe that everywhere is closed, but we'll see what happens when you go out with 2 talkative Virgos. You can just end up anywhere. Nothing ever closes. Okay, so I was gonna put this skirt with it, and then I have these long socks on because I'm thinking thigh-high boots, which I normally wouldn't do, but let's see. But these type of socks with thigh highs are a must. They don't roll down. Let me see, can you guys see? Yeah.
Yeah, we outside tonight, baby. We outside. We outside.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Kiarrasays, and this is my new house I just bought, so I'm gonna give you guys a little tour.
Hello.
Okay, and this is my basketball court where I hope you know.
Kobe.
It's the upstairs level. This is one of my girls. I have a couple. I'm the bitch. And this is where I look out at the basketball team that I own. I'm gonna repaint it pink. Well, this is my shower, one of my showers. As you can see, it has double doors, you can step right in, and you just have a party in here. This is where I have my chef come and do my cooking for me. Okay, and this is my home theater. This is where, you know, I watch my movies or whatever, like no big deal.
What you gotta say, Key?
So that's the end of my house tour. I hope you liked it, and maybe if you're good, you can come visit. You guys gotta see yourselves out that way.
So what's the word, y'all?
It's freezing.
Freezing?
Yeah.
You anemic?
I am.
It's not that cold, baby.
I take iron pills.
You do?
Yeah.